In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger. We'll use a simple browser extension to quickly remove your entire message history so you don't have to delete threads one by one. Before we start, remember that deleting messages is permanent and may take some time depending on how many conversations you have. First, open Facebook Messages in a browser. Open a new tab, type facebook.com/messages, and hit enter. Wait until the page fully loads and you can see the full list of your conversations on the left. Keeping this page open ensures the extension can find and process your messages correctly. Next, open your browser's extension store. Go to the top right corner of your browser and click the three horizontal lines or three dots, depending on what you use. Find Extensions or Extensions Manager, then choose Visit Web Store. The wording can vary a little by browser, but you're looking for the place where you can search and install add-ons. Now install the extension called Delete Facebook Messages in the web store's search bar. Type Delete Facebook Messages and press Enter. Click on the extension in the results, then choose Add to Chrome or Add to Brave. Confirm by clicking Add Extension and give it a moment to install. As with any third-party tool, make sure you're comfortable with the permissions it requests. Once the extension is installed, click the extensions icon in your browser toolbar. Select Delete Facebook Messages from the list. In the extension window, click the button that says Click to go to Facebook Messages. This brings the extension and your messages page into sync so it can run properly. Before you start deleting, prepare Facebook for the process. Make sure your Facebook language is set to English. This helps the extension recognize the buttons and labels it needs to click. Then, click on any one conversation in your messages list to open it and return to the extension interface. You're ready to delete everything. In the extension, click Delete, then click Begin Deletion. Now wait and let it work. The extension will automatically go through your conversations and remove them. Keep the tab open and avoid interrupting the process. The time it takes will depend on how many messages you have and your internet speed. That's it. Your Messenger messages should now be deleted automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Facebook tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.